In 1927, the German company Junkers began assembling a full-metal two-seat fighter aircraft, which was disguised as a civil aircraft project named A-48 due to the restrictions imposed on Germany after World War I and was produced in Sweden. This fighter aircraft was known as the K-47. Initially, Junkers was not very interested in developing the K-47 project, perhaps due to its high standards. The aircraft needed to be designed as a two-seater, with the same flight speed as a single-seat fighter at an altitude of 5,000 meters. The pilot and gunner needed to have excellent visibility, and the rear gunner should be able to fire in any state. The aircraft also required a strong structure to provide a certain level of protection for the crew. The K-47 was designed as an open cockpit, full-metal, low-wing fighter aircraft with a metal structure and smooth metal skin. The fixed main landing gear was connected to the wings below, and the tail landing gear was sled type. The tail section featured a relatively rare twin-tail structure. The engine compartment at the front of the aircraft housed various types of engines, including the BMW-licensed Pratt & Whitney Hornet air-cooled engine, which provided 590 horsepower and drove the dual-blade propeller, enabling the fighter to reach a maximum speed of approximately 300 kilometers per hour. The fuel tank was installed inside the wing root. The two crew members sat separately in an open cockpit, with the pilot in the front and the gunner in the back, seated back-to-back with the pilot. For ease of firing, the gunner had a basket-style seat, and the weapon was a single 7.92 mm air-cooled machine gun. The fighter aircraft was equipped with a fixed 7.92 mm machine gun as its main combat weapon, in addition to an auxiliary machine gun on the rear fuselage. It could also carry two 50-kilo bombs under the wings, allowing it to serve as a light ground attack aircraft. By the standards of around 1930, the K-47 fighter aircraft was quite advanced in some respects. It was showcased to representatives from multiple countries in Sweden, generating interest from several nations. The Soviet Union purchased 2 for testing, while Germany secretly purchased 3 and sent them to the Soviet Union for testing. The largest user was China at the time, which purchased a total of 12 and engaged in combat with Japanese carrier-based aircraft during the Shanghai Incident of 1932. For other European countries, the all-metal monoplane structure of the K-47 was certainly a step forward, but there were doubts about its two-seat design, as it was seen as not meeting the requirements for agile combat of a fighter aircraft. Therefore, most countries only took a passing interest in it. The K-47 was important for the development of German aviation technology. From 1930 to 1931, designers conducted a series of technical experiments on the K-47 fighter aircraft, including the installation of dive brakes, dive sight, and dive bomb dropping experiments, which ultimately contributed to the development of another star equipment in the future, the Ju-87 Stuka dive bomber. The K-47 fighter aircraft had an empty weight of approximately 1050 kilograms, a maximum takeoff weight of approximately 1,700 kilograms, a length of 8.55 meters, a height of 2.4 meters, a wingspan of 12.4 meters, a maximum speed of approximately 300 kilometers per hour. Varies with different engines installed. A cruising speed of 245 kilometers per hour, a maximum altitude of 8,500 meters, and an endurance of 2 hours.